Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, we're going to take a closer look at something truly special, the Benyar by 5121 Skeleton Automatic Mechanical Watch. This watch is a beautiful blend of elegance and precision. Let's get started. And here it is, the Benyar 5121. Right away, the striking black skeleton dial and the genuine brown leather strap catch your eye. Isn't it stunning? Let's take a moment to appreciate the stunning skeleton dial of the Benyar by 5121. This type of dial is called a skeleton dial because it reveals the intricate inner workings of the watch. It's like a window into the heart of the timepiece, showcasing the fascinating mechanics that power the watch. You can see the gears, springs, and other components moving in perfect harmony, which is both captivating and mesmerizing. The dial itself is a sleek black, which provides a striking contrast to the silver and gold-toned mechanisms inside. This contrast not only enhances readability, but also adds a touch of elegance and sophistication. The dial is 45 millimeters in diameter, which gives it a bold and eye-catching look. The Lug-to-Lug Length is 53.5 millimeter, and the thickness of the watch is 15.5 millimeters. Weighing in at 98 grams, it has a substantial feel without being too heavy. The genuine leather strap is 2.4 centimeters wide and 22 centimeters long. It's not just elegant, but also incredibly comfortable and flexible, keeping your wrist well ventilated. The case body is made from zinc alloy with a black matte finish, giving it a sleek and modern appearance. Inside, we have G3265Z automatic mechanical movement, ensuring precision with every tick. The case material not only adds to its durability, but also gives it a premium feel. Now, let's talk a bit about what makes an automatic watch special. Unlike quartz watches, which use a battery, automatic watches are powered by the movement of your wrist. This means that as long as you're wearing it regularly, the watch will keep itself wound. It's a blend of engineering and art, with each tick driven by a series of gears and springs working together. But what if you haven't worn the watch for a while and it stops? No worries. You can charge the watch yourself by simply rotating the crown 30 to 40 times clockwise. You'll feel the tension on the crown, and once it's wound, your watch is ready to wear again. One of the best features of this watch is its water resistance. It can withstand water pressure up to 30 meters, so it's safe from sweat, accidental rain, or splashes. The dial window is made of hardlex crystal and has a slightly domed shape, which adds to its durability and gives it a unique look. In conclusion, the Benyar by 5121 Skeleton Automatic Mechanical Watch is a perfect blend of style, sophistication, and functionality. It's versatile enough for any occasion and built to last. Whether you're buying it for yourself or as a thoughtful gift, this watch is sure to make a statement. That's it for today's unboxing and review. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care and keep ticking.